Dude, stop scrolling and listen. I'm gonna tell you 3 places I always see black mold in your bathroom, and you got no idea. Stay tuned. Alright, number 1, that is under your toilet. Under your toilet, man, I'm probably pulling 5 toilets a week at least, and I always see black mold under your toilet. What I recommend is once you have your toilet pulled, you clean underneath it. You reset it properly with a wax ring. Once it's set, clear silicone or white, whatever you prefer, 100% silicone. Go ahead and get the whole front of that. Leave a little gap in the back in case something's leaking. Water's going to come out back there. That's per code. You're going to want to do that. The second place, behind your toilet. Behind the toilet tank is where I always see black mold. Most people spend at least 2 years of their life in the bathroom. So you're going to want to check behind the toilet. That's a long time of your life. You're breathing black mold in. It's causing a lot of issues. Chronic fatigue, respiratory illnesses. Check your bathroom. Behind the toilet tank. If you got to pay a plumber, a handyman, whatever, $200, pull your own toilet, watch a video. I'm going to make a video on it soon to show you how. Or I got one video already, so check it out. I'm going to put a link down in the description. Alright, now number 3 is behind drywall. I always see mold behind drywall. Every time I'm cutting drywall in a bathroom, there is mold behind it, guaranteed. So, what can you do about this? Not much. But when you're looking at to remodel your bathroom, when the contractor is there, when he's opening up the walls, open them all up. Make sure they're all good. You have no mold. Spray it down with a good solution that prevents mold from building up. Get some tile. Get some good waterproof paint in the bathroom walls. You don't want water working its way behind the drywall. Make sure everything is siliconed around where the shower is or the tub, where the floor meets, around the cracks, everything. Make sure it is watertight. If you do these 3 things, you can prevent yourself from many illnesses. So, alright folks, stay honorable out there, plumbers. Peace.